Hello guys, happy new year. So this is my first video for 2022. I'm so glad that you can see me, you can watch me. Today I'll be talking about something very interesting. So let me introduce myself. My name is Sophia. You're welcome to Skin Essentials with Sophia. Here we'll talk about skincare, hair care, body care and business. Yeah, so today I'll be giving a quick review on a product, and I'll be telling you the benefit and how you can use it. Yeah, so this is a milk and honey gold scrub from Oriflame. First I'll be sharing the benefits of this product and why you should get it and how you can use it to achieve the great and amazing benefit for yourself. So the first benefit is that it brightens dull skin. This milk and honey gold scrub brightens dull skin. Yeah, it's a sugar scrub. It helps to brighten dull skin. It removes dark spots and dark marks on your body. Let's say you had a fire burn and you left a scar, a dark mark. Use the scrub and it will remove it over time. Yeah, it evens out your skin complexion. Let's say you have different color, like you're dark, you're fair, like different color on your body. Use the scrub and it will help to give you an even skin tone. Like it will just give you one skin complexion. Yeah, it helps to smoothen rough and dry skin. Like if you have a dry skin and it's rough, maybe it's scaly, it helps to smoothen because it's highly moisturizing. Yeah, it's a great product. You should get it. It makes your moisturizer penetrate better. Yeah, you hear people say my cream is not working, my moisturizer is not working, I cannot see results. Have you tried exfoliating? Have you tried using the milk and honey sugar scrub? Yeah, it will help your moisturizer to work better. The next step is that it gives you a soft glowing skin. Like you don't want to miss this glow that this product is going to give to you. So I'm going to share in a review of this product. Like it's an amazing product. You should get it if you have any skin condition, like you want to brighten your dull skin, you want to remove dark spots, dark marks on your skin, you want to even out your skin complexion, you want to smoothen rough dry skin, you want to make your moisturizer is not penetrating, like your body lotion is not working like you want it to. Get this sugar scrub. Yeah, so I'm showing you how to use it. It's very simple. In 3 minutes you're done. Like 3 minutes is too much. 30 seconds you're done scrubbing. I hear people say you scrub before bathing. That's so wrong. You scrub after bathing. You don't scrub a dirty body. You must make sure you bathe after bathing before you scrub. Yeah, so I'm using water now to like just clean. Then the scrub is almost finished. Can you see how beautiful it is? Yeah, the scrub helps to brighten your skin. Yeah, gives you an even skin tone. See how amazing it feels on the body. So you just scrub gently. Yeah. See how bright it's looking now. Just from scrubbing. Yeah, so that's it. That's how to use the milk and honey gold body scrub. It's a nice product. You can get it from any Oriflame consultant. I'm one of them, and you can get it from me. Reach out to me, drop a comment, tell me your location, and we'll have it delivered to you. It's 9,000 naira only. Yeah. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.